So there is some default CSS value for HTML CSS. I think all of you know that what is HTML element, like H1, H2, H3, H4. Some element is there, but maximum time I don't know. We don't know that what is the libraries or what is the condition. This H1 working, the H2 working, the embedded working, or linked list working, list working. So now I want to show that is the basic CSS values for HTML element. What is those this body? When I make body there, on this body display is block means a box size and margin is 10 pixel. Okay, every side had 10 pixel margin. Okay, simple margin means every side margin. Okay, margin left means left margin, margin right means right margin. Okay, and div means division. On the when I make the division keyword or division element, that time display block is default already, means without our making changes is already defaulting see displays block. And em is embedded, and it is also font style italic. Without any changing, it already showing it font style is italic. So that is a default CSS value. What is the h1? H1 means heading 1. When we are making heading 1, the display is block and some bold font is there. So what is the basic CSS value? This font size 2e. I saw you what is e or em. Margin top means top margin is 0.67 em and margin bottom is 0.67 em. Okay, front weight is bold, means I already saw that what is the h1 and how h1 is showing. Li means list. I already telling HTML lecture. Hope you understand this thing. And display is list item, that's why it's list item one by one is coming. So after that, when you make UL, some display default CSS value also there, and when you make OL, there are also some CSS value is there. So there is some default CSS value on that HTML value. We are not seeing it properly, but there have some CSS value.